coming at you live in a new 2018 Freightliner, and there's Betty.
Hey y'all, how are you? You guys have got to check out this awesome truck. Mo threw me up here. I was so excited.
No, I didn't. Look at this. I'm gonna show y'all a little something, something.
Top bunk. Look at me. See, up here, there's the ceiling, there's the roof. Look.
She really is.
Oh my gosh, woo! Look, it's lights. Look at these awesome lights. This is a 2018 Freightliner.
Cascadia.
Isn't that the same thing?
No, it's like I drive a Nissan Altima. It's a Freightliner Cascadia.
Oh, make and model.
There you go. There you go. Hang on, guys. Look at this.
But how did I get up here?
Cha-ching!
With my
a ladder. How cool is that?
But look at, check out these lights.
Betty is obsessed with the lights. You should have saw the light that she blinded herself with over here.
I'm not gonna look at it, but hey, I'll turn it on, and you can see how powerful this thing is.
Try and turn it on, Betty.
I can't even find the button. Dude, I turned that light on and it shot me in the eyeball, and I closed it, and all I seen was the light. It was
Betty thought she'd done died and gone to heaven. This truck is so good.
I seen the bright light. It was crazy. All right, but there are shelves
and all sorts of good stuff in here.
Monica, show them what is over there.
What's over there?
That metal thing.
Oh, boom! It's
Booyah.
a what do they call it? A TV doodad.
It's a TV holder.
It's a holder, yeah.
It's a holder. You put some super glue on there, put it on the back of your TV.
Look at this thing.
The magic strips. Oh, Monica, show them the steering wheel.
The steering wheel.
You know why?
Why?
You don't even know, do you?
Why? I can barely drive myself.
Check it out. It's Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Look at that.
How cool is that?
You can call us and we'll talk to you through your speakers.
Betty says Betty's trying to get people to call them while they're driving. Don't be doing that.
It's Bluetooth, Mo. You ain't got to touch your phone. You push your button and say, hey, call Monica. But if you want to be recruited, you got a friend, you call Betty. Ha-ha. See how I snuck that one in there? You like that, did you, Mo?
You're ridiculous. Guys, refer people.
Mr. John.
Mr. John.
What else is new?
Oh. You gotta talk loud, Mr. John.
I gotta talk loud. I don't talk loud.
Well, apparently
You
I'm
can control
yelling.
the radio and stuff with the steering wheel. You can answer your phone. You can disconnect your phone. One of the things I like, I help the drivers out. Easy access to the fuse box.
The fuse box. How cool is that?
Wow.
The other ones you had to take 4 screws out and pull the glove box out to get to it. So now this ought to make it a lot easier on the drivers when they need to change the fuse.
Wow.
What else we got?
What else
so
we got?
Excited.
Well, y'all have showed them all the good stuff. Besides, we've got cabinets.
I'm really
just
sorry,
about
guys. It's close quarters in
everywhere.
here.
Actually, these seem a lot bigger than the other ones. Got all
Well, I'm a big lady.
got all the space up there. It's almost like somebody's kitchen. It's got so many cabinets.
It is, right?
I'm so excited.
It is really cool.
We just got this on the lot a
Plenty
few
of
days ago.
storage.
A few
for sure.
days ago.
And we've only got, how many do we have, John?
At the time, we've got like 7 on the yard.
We've got like 7.
So
7
excited.
of the 18s. We've got several of the brand new
17s? The 17s were awesome.
The 17s
they're-
were awesome.
All right, well, guys, what we're going to do. Yeah,
I
how
can't
do we
look
do
at
this?
both of us at one
That's okay.
time.
You can see my hands. Talk Mo. Anyway, put it on you. Yeah, see your beautiful face? See
Hey, why don't you show 'em how to-
pretty face?
Oh,
the stairs and
we got to see this.
Here. I don't know how to do it. I'm gonna be lucky
Okay,
if I
John,
can
this
get
is going to
out.
be your deal.
I really am in love with the lights.
That was fast. Bam.
All right, let's go
Booyah.
outside now.
Oh, hang on.
Ah, I gotta get down.
Betty's
They're
stuck.
gonna leave me here.
Bye,
All right,
Betty.
Well, okay, fine, bye. Today we were just showing you a few things, but we're gonna how do you say it? Upload some YouTube videos that's gonna show you some really cool stuff on the outside of the truck. So until then, until tomorrow, we will see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.